I would just get this sharp, sharp pain, like kind of in the top of my leg, to the point where my leg would lock up, where I could hardly walk. My name is Lisa Schneider, and I recently had a total hip replacement at McLaren Northern Michigan. Even during the summer on our boat, it was hard for me to get up and down the ladder, which, it's 3 steps. But that became very, very difficult. So like all the things that I love to do, I love to shop. Love to shop. And where shopping just wasn't even fun anymore, because I would just be in so much pain all the time. Progressively, as time went on, it got worse and it got worse. And so then finally decided to actually go see a doctor about it, and found out that I had extreme arthritis in my right hip. And so it was suggested that I do a total hip replacement. Starting right at the front desk. Everybody was just so nice, and they were quick about getting me in. And not to mention, the hospital has that new addition to it that is just gorgeous, gorgeous. So I got to stay in one of the brand new rooms overlooking the lake, which was a nice bonus. But everybody was great, which I just think says a lot too about the hospital. Especially during this time, with COVID and just all of the hours that the nurses and doctors and stuff are working, and you still seemed like you were the most important patient they had. Loved Dr. Getz, his ability to explain everything. He was just so assuring that it was going to be good. And, he had shared his experiences, and I just felt so comfortable with what he had to share that I really didn't have any doubt. I just had a lot of confidence in the whole team. So I'm going to do the surgery, and I have no regrets for doing it at all. I would go tomorrow and have my other hip done if it needed to be. It doesn't need to be, but if it did. So the experience was that good.